everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss problems in exercise 2.5 in polynomials and factorization of class 9th. This is continuation to the previous video. Let's start the video. Here is the first question. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. First one is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. We have to expand the given polynomial by using identity. First question is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. It is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. We have to use this identity to expand the given polynomial. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equals to, in the place of a, x is a, in the place of b, 2y, and in the place of c, 4z is a. So we have to replace abc by x, 2y and 4z in the formula. So here x square plus b is 2y, 2y whole square plus c is 4z, 4z whole square plus 2 into a is x, x into b is 2y, 2y plus b is 2y, 2y into c is 4z, 4z plus, now c is 4z, 4z into, and a is x, 4z into x. Now we have to simplify this, which is equals to x square plus, this is in the form of ab whole power m. ab whole power m equals to a power m into b power m. That means 2 square into y square plus, this is also in the form of ab whole power m. So a power m is nothing but 4 power 2 into b power m is z square plus 2 into x into 2y, 2xy plus 2 into 4 is 8 yz, 8yz plus 4zx or 4xz. Now we have to simplify this. X square plus 2 square value is 4, 4y square plus 4 square is nothing but 16, 16z square plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4xy plus 2 into 8 is 16yz plus 2 into 4 is 8, 8xz. The expanded form of x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. Let us solve the third one. The given question is a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. I am rewriting the given question as a by 4 plus minus b by 2 plus of minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. We have to use that identity here. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. We have to replace abc by a by 4 minus b by 2 and 1. A by 4 plus of minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equals to, a value is a by 4. A by 4 whole square plus b is nothing but minus b by 2. Minus b by 2 whole square plus c value is 1. 1 square plus 2 into A is A by 4. A by 4 into B value is minus B by 2. Minus B by 2 plus again B value, that is minus B by 2 into C value is 1. 1 plus C is 1 into A value is A by 4. Now we have to simplify RHS. It is in the form of A by B whole power m. A by B whole power m equals to A power m by B power m. So that means A square by B square, that is 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16 plus minus B whole square. We will get plus B square. Plus B square by 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into A into B is AB and here minus is this. So minus AB by, we have to multiply the denominators. 4 into 2, that is 8, plus into minus, minus B into 1 is B by 2, plus 1 into A is A by 4, which is equals to A square by 16 plus B square by 4 plus 1 plus into minus, minus 2 into AB by 8 plus into minus, minus 2 into B by 2 plus into plus is plus 2 into A is 2A by 4. Here 2 ones, 2 4s. Here 2 ones gets cancelled, 2 ones, 2 2s gets cancelled. Then A square by 16 plus B square by 4 plus 1 minus here AB by 4 minus B plus A by 2 is the expanded form of A by 4 minus B by 2 plus 1 whole square. The expanded form of A by 4 minus B by 2 plus 1 whole square is A square by 16 plus B square by 4 plus 1 minus AB by 4 minus B plus A by 2. Let us solve another problem on identities. Here is the question. Factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Let us solve the given question. Solution. The given expression is 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. We have to convert the given expression into an identity. So I am writing 25x square as 5x whole square plus 16y square as 4y whole square plus 4z whole square as 2z whole square. Because 5x whole square means 5 square is 25, x square plus 4 square is 16, y square, 2 square is 4, z square minus, here I am writing this as 2 into 5x, 2 into 5x into b, that is 4y, 2 into 5x into 4y, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, 40, x into y is xy, so 40xy plus, here I am writing this as 2 into b, what is this, 4y, 4y into and 2z, 2z, 2 into 4 is h, h into 2 is 16, yz minus, so I am writing this as 2 into and I am writing z, that is 2z into 5x, 2z into 5x. We have identity a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But here we have minus 2ab and here we have minus 2ca. The common term is a. A has minus. So in the place of 5x whole square, I am writing minus 5x whole square. Minus 5x whole square. minus 5 whole square is nothing but plus 25x square. Plus 25x square we will get. So minus 5x whole square plus 4y square plus 2z whole square minus, I am writing this as plus 2 into minus 5x into 4y plus 2 into 4y into 2z. This I am writing as plus 2 into 2z into minus 5x. If you observe here, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, minus 40 xy. We will get minus 40 xy. In the same way, here also plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 xz we will get. Now, this expression is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. In the place of a we have minus 5x, in the place of b there is 4y, in the place of c 2z is there. So which is equals to minus 5x whole square plus 4y whole square plus 2z whole square plus 2 into minus 5x into 4y plus 2 into 4y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 5x is equals to a plus b plus c is nothing but minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. Let us solve different problem on identities. Here is the question. If a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26, then find a square plus b square plus c square. We have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Here is the solution. The given data is a plus b plus c is equals to 9. ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26. We need to find a square plus b square plus c square. According to the identity, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. We have to substitute the value of a plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ca here. A plus b plus c is nothing but 9. So this is 9 whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into the value of ab plus bc plus ca is 26. It is given in the question into 26. Now 9 square value is 81 is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 26 is 52. Now we need to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which means that we have to transpose 52 to left hand side. So 81 minus 52 is equals to a square plus b square plus c square. Now 81 minus 52 is 29 is equals to a square plus b square plus c square. Therefore, the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 29. This is the required answer. Let us solve another problem from this exercise. Here is the question. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. In the first one is 99 whole cube. Solution. The given question is 99 whole cube. We can rewrite this as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Here we have to use the identity a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. In the place of a we have 100 and in the place of b 1. So 100 minus 1 whole cube is equals to 100 cube minus 3 into A means 100 square into B means 1 plus 3 into A value is 100 into B value is 1 whole square minus 1 whole cube. Now we have to simplify this. The 100 whole cube, that means to the right side of 1 we have to write 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because here 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros we have to write 3 times. Power is 3. So we have to write 3 times. Minus 3 into here to the right of 1 we have to write 4 zeros. Because 2 zeros repeated 2 times. The power is 2 means we have to write 2 times 2 zeros. So 10,000 into 1 means 3 into 1 is 3. 10,000 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. So 3 into 100 is 300 minus 1 cube is nothing but 1. Which is equals to, this is 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros minus 3 into 10,000. That is 30,000. 30,000 plus 300 minus 1. Now we have to add 10 lakh and 300 because these two have plus symbols. So which is equals to 10 lakh 300. And here 30,000 has minus symbol, 1 has minus symbol. So we have to add that too. So 30,001. Now we have to subtract 30,001 from 10 lakh 300. So now we have to subtract 30,001 from 10 lakh 300. We will get 9 lakh 70,299. What is this? This is the value of 99 whole cube. Let us solve second one. That is 1001 whole cube. We can write this as 1000 plus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube is equals to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now 1000 plus 1 whole cube is equals to, in the place of A we have 1000. So this is 1000 whole cube plus 3 into 1000 whole square into B value is 1. 1 plus 3 into 1000 into B value is 1. So 1 square plus 1 cube. Now we have to simplify RHS, which is equals to 1000 cube. After 1 we have to write how many zeros? Here 3 zeros are there. How many times we have to repeat? 3 times because the power is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 3 into here 1000 square, which means we have to repeat 3 zeros 2 times because the power is 2. So after 1, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1 plus 3 into 1000 is 3000. 1 square is 1. So 3000 into 1 is 3000 plus 1 cube is nothing but 1. So which is equals to 1. After that 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So after 3 we have to write 6 zeros. 4, 5, 6 plus 3000 plus 1 is 3001. Now we need to add all these numbers which are equals to. So I am adding 1, 0, 0 means 1, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. Next we have 3. So after 4 places, what is there? 2 zeros. We have to write 2 zeros. After that 3 is there. So we have to write 3. Then we have to write 2 zeros and 1. So after 1, how many digits should be there? There should be 9 digits. So after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the value of 1001 whole cube equals to, after 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1. This is the required answer.